Today we will solve one more question on dissolution of a partnership firm. The question number 36 in this book. Following is the balance sheet of Arvind and Balbir as of 31st March 2019. The balance sheet is given here. After that, the firm was dissolved on the date under the following arrangement. Arvind promised to pay Mrs. Arvind's loan and took over stock at 6,000. Balbir took half the investment at 10% discount. Book debts realized 28,500. Trade creditors and bills payable were due on an average basis of 1 month after 31st March, but were paid immediately on 31st March at 2% discount per annum. Thereafter, plant realized 37,500, building 60,000, goodwill 9,000, and remaining investment 6,750. An old typewriter written off completely from the firm's book, now estimated to realize 450. It was taken over by Balbir at this estimated price. And the last one is relation expenses were rupees 1,500. Now here we need to prepare relation account, partners capital account, as well as bank account. So let's start with the question. Excuse me. So first of all, I am transferring all the assets this side. So all the assets except the cash and bank and the profit and loss account is transferred to relation account. Cash and bank account I have transferred to the bank account. I have only prepared bank account. So for bank balance I have written balance BD, and for cash account I have written to cash account 12,750. You can see in your book. As well as profit and loss account will be distributed in the debit side of partners capital. Here no ratio is given, so I consider the ratio to be 1:1. So 2625, 2625 is distributed the profit and loss account. On the liability side, you can see there is trade creditors, bills payable, Mrs. Arvind's loan, Mrs. Balbir's loan. These are the four items that I have transferred here: trade creditor, bills payable, Mrs. Arvind's loan, Mrs. Balbir's loan, as well as provision for doubtful debt, that is 3,000, and investment fluctuation reserve 1,500. These both are also transferred. Always remember, any reserve or fund created against any asset is to be transferred to relation. Like provision for doubtful debt is a provision created against sundry debtors. Investment fluctuation reserve is created against investment. So any reserve or provision created against any asset is to be transferred to relation account. However, goodwill is also an intangible asset. Generally, the goodwill is transferred to partners capital account, is distributed in the old ratio written off, but here goodwill will be termed as an asset and it will be realized. So I have written it in the relation account 6,000. Now let us see the adjustments. Arvind promised to pay off Mr. Arvind's loan and took over stock at 6,000. Arvind has promised to pay Mrs. Arvind's loan. So to Arvind's capital, Mrs. Arvind's loan 7,500, as well as by Arvind's capital stock, that is 6,000. Next is Balbir took half the investment at 10% discount. Investments were 15,000, so half of the investment will be 7,500 at 10% discount. So 7,500